Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and this month we're going to teach you a very helpful Hakka phrase. In fact, it even has the word help in it. 其实这个月呢，刚好呢，这个句子里面呢，跟帮忙有关。我们要帮大家呢，要教大家一句非常实用的客家话，就是可以帮我一下吗？
OK，
Can you help me with something? All right, that's exactly our theme for this month. 那怎么说可以帮我一下？
做得老矮天数一下么？
好长哦！哎呀，走得，
来，我们来切割。
来帮我一下，好。
做得
走得，
可以。
可以 ，that means can you？
老矮
老奶，
不是老奶啊，老矮。
老奶 ，that
就是
means
帮我
help me. Yeah, that's right.
天数一下么？
天数一下么？
帮忙一下吗？
帮忙一下 ，okay, for a little while. All right, so can you help me for something? All right, is
做得老矮天数一下么？
走得老奶天数一下么？So let's go ahead and put ourselves in a situation. For instance, 尤其小朋友有时候会迷路，
对啊，
对不对？
不见。
Maybe you're lost somewhere. Maybe it's a strange neighborhood. Okay, you're lost. 迷路怎么说呢？
冲走。
冲就乱冲就会迷路了哈。
对啊，就走了啊，冲了就跑了，
对
就走了。
冲就 Okay, that means I'm lost.
那海陆腔冲走，
冲就哦，又冲又走那样子，对不对？真的会迷路的，要小心。That means lost. Now, when you're lost, maybe you're going to go to the police station to look for help. 警察局
警察局。
哦，警察局这好像以前有教过，也有点像台语。警察局，That's a police station. And then maybe you're going to ask about how far is a destination from here. 可能会问说，哎，离这边有多远嘛？对不对？有多远？
有几远？
有几远 Okay, that means how far. So let's put that into a phrase. 我们就干脆用这个有多远来造一个句好了。
OK
就是离这里有多远 How far is it from here?
离亚 V 有几远？
离亚 V 有几远 Okay, that means from here. How far is it from here? This point, all right? All right, let's review all these terms again, okay? 迷路 lost.
冲走
冲就 and then the police station 警察局
警察局
警察局 and then how far is it? 有多远
有几远？
有几远 and it's all about can you help me with something, all right? 可以帮我一下吗？
做得老矮天数一下么？
走得老矮天数一下么 And there you go. More about practical Hakka here in ICRT.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.